Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mon and today we learn and solve exercise 5a questions 7 to 24 of chapter 5th chapter. Chapter name is fractions of class 6 of composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Please share more and more videos and subscribe my YouTube channel and I will make more videos according to your topics. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 5a questions 17 to 24 and topics are equivalent fractions, simplest form of fractions, proper, improper and mixed fractions, convert unlike fractions into like fraction, convert improper into mixed fraction, and convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 23. Question number 23 is Rohan had 36 pens. He gave 15 of them to Mike and 11 of them to Karan. What fraction of his original 36 pens does Rohan have left? Write two equivalent fractions for that amount. Number of pens left is number of pens Rohan have is 36 minus number of pens he has to give Mike and Karan. So number of pens left is total number of pens he gave to Mike and Karan is 15 plus 11. 15 plus 11 is 26 and Rohan had 36 pens. So Rohan have the number of pens Rohan have left is 36 minus 26. 36 minus 26 is 10. So number of pens Rohan have left is now Rohan have 10 pens. Now number of pens left is 10. So fraction of pens. Now we have to find the fraction of pens Rohan have left. Fraction of pens Rohan have left is number of pens left divided by total number of pens Rohan had. So number of pens left is 10 divided by total number of pens Rohan have is 36. 10 divided by 36. So fraction of pens Rohan have left is 10 divided by 36. Now we have to convert this fraction into equivalent fraction. So fraction of pens Rohan have left is we have to find the two equivalent fraction of the fraction 10 divided by 36. Now we got fraction of pens. Now we get fraction of pens Rohan have left is number of pens left divided by total number of pens Rohan have, that is 10 divided by 36. This is the fraction of pens Rohan have left. Now we have to find the equivalent fraction of this fraction 10 divided by 36. First we have to convert this fraction into simplest form. So first find the HCF, highest common factor of 10 and 36. Highest common factor of 10 and 36 is 2. As 10 is 2 multiplied with 5 and 36 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3. So only 2 is the common factor. So a highest common factor of 10 and 36 is 2. So 10 divided by 36 equal to, divide this highest common factor with numerator and denominator. We get 10 divided by 2 divided by 36 division of 2. 10 division of 2 is 5 and 36 division of 2 is 18. So 5 divided by 18 is the simplest form of 10 divided by 36. Now equivalent. Now we have to write the two equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 18. Equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 18 is multiply the same number in numerator and denominator. The fraction that we get is called the equivalent fraction. So equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 18 is multiply 3 with both numerator and denominator of the fraction 5 divided by 18. So 5 multiplied with 3 and multiply 3 with 18. So 5 multiplied with 3 divided by 18 multiplied with 3 is 15 divided by 54. And 5 divided by 18 is multiply 5 with both numerator and denominator of the fraction 5 divided by 18. So 5 multiplied with 5 is 25 and 18 multiplied with 5 is 90. So 25 divided by 90 is the equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 18. So two equivalent fraction of the fraction 10 divided by 36 and we get 5 divided by 18 is the simplest form of the fraction 10 divided by 36 and equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 18 is 15 divided by 34 and 25 divided by 90. Now we solve question number 24 and question number 24 is I am an improper fraction whose numerator and denominators are made of odd digits only. In my simplest form, my representation as a mixed number is 6, 1 divided by 3 and the sum of my numerator and denominator is 66. What fraction am I? This is a hot question. It is given that improper fraction is whose numerator and denominators are odd digits. It is given that improper fraction whose numerator and denominators are odd digits. This is the given. And simplest form of the mixed number is 6, 1 divided by 3. This is given. And first we convert this 6, 1 divided by 3 into improper fraction. So multiply denominator with the whole. Denominator 3 multiply denominator 3 with whole 6 plus add this number 6. 3 multiplied with 6 plus numerator is 1. 3 multiplied with 6 plus 1 divided by denominator, that is 3. So 3 multiplied with 6 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 19 divided by 3. And 19 divided by 3 is the improper fraction. And it is given that sum of numerator and denominator is 66. This is given. So sum of numerator and denominator here is 19 plus 3. 19 plus 3 is 22. Converting the mixed fraction 6, 1 divided by 3 into improper fraction, we get 19 divided by 3. And sum of numerator and denominator is given that 66. But here sum of numerator and denominator is 19 plus 3, that is 22. So first we have to convert this 19 divided by 3 into equivalent fraction. So 19 divided by 3, first we multiply the number 2 with the fraction 19 divided by 3. Multiply 2 in numerator and denominator. So 19 multiplied with 2 divided by 3, denominator 3 multiplied with 2. 19 multiplied with 2 is 38 divided by 3 multiplied with 2 is 6. So we get 38 divided by 6. This is the equivalent fraction of 19 divided by 3. And sum of numerator and denominator 38 plus 6 is 44, which is not equal to 66. Now multiply 3 in numerator and denominator. So multiply 3 with 19 and multiply 3 with denominator 3. So 19 divided by 3 equal to 19 multiply with 3 divided by 3 multiply with 3. So 19 multiply with 3 is 57 divided by 3 multiplied with 3 is 9. So 57 divided by 9. This is the equivalent fraction of 19 divided by 3. Now add this numerator and denominator. So 57 plus 9 is 66. 57 plus 9 is 66, and which is equal to the sum of numerator and denominator, that is 66 given. So 38 divided by 6 and 57 divided by 9 are two equivalent fraction of 19 divided by 3. These are two equivalent fraction of the fraction 19 divided by 3. So the fraction will be 57 divided by 9. I am an improper fraction. So 57 divided by 9 is an improper fraction whose numerator and denominators are made of odd digits. 57 is odd number and 9 is also odd number. Okay, 5 is odd digit and 7 is also odd and 9 is also odd. In my simplest form, my representation as a mixed number is 6 1 divided by 3. When we convert this improper fraction 57 divided by 9, we get the mixed fraction 6 1 divided by 3. It's 57 equal to 9 multiplied with 6. 9 multiplied with 6 is 54. 54 plus 3 is 57. So 57 divided by 9 is 57 divided by 9 is 6 1 divided by 3. This is the mixed fraction. 57 is 9 multiplied with 6 plus 3, where 9 is the divisor and 6 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. So 57 divided by 9 is 6 quotient 6 and remainder 3. 3 divided by 9 and 3 divided by 9 is 1 divided by 3. So 6 1 divided by 3 is the mixed fraction of this fraction 57 divided by 9. And sum of my numerator and denominator is 66. 57 plus 9 is 66. So what fraction am I? So the fraction will be 57 divided by 9. So the fraction will be 57 divided by 9. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply.